Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to be trying to fit my new storage box to the Acty, which is just here. This is my new storage box for the Acty. I'm going to be trying to fit it to the storage rack slash ladder rack, and I'm going to try and mount it right here. I've pre-templated the holes just by putting a strip of masking tape on the back of the box and marking the holes, then taking the tape off and putting it on here. I put it as straight as I can possibly get it, and it should fit just flush with here. So my first job is to drill some pilot holes, then larger holes, then hopefully I'm going to be able to mount it via these brackets on the back using these two holes here. I think that'll be strong enough. It is quite heavy, but with some bolts it should be strong enough. I have got the most expensive hardware in the world from B&Q. I have got a packet of M8 40mm bolts and nuts, and some decent sized washers as well. So yeah, wish me luck guys. I'm gonna just make sure the nuts and everything fit through the holes and there's enough space and stuff like that, and then we'll go from there and try and get it fitted. Okay, I think the first thing I'm going to actually do is remove this bracket from the box, just so I can get easy access behind it, just to do up the bolts and stuff like that. So I think I'm just going to take that off first, offer it back up to here, just to triple check the measurements and stuff. Then I've got nice easy access without having to lift up the heavy box every time I want to do something. So you've got nut each side, and then on the inside, already lost the key, think it's in the box, and then there's some nuts inside, so I'll undo all that first. Right, I've removed that bracket off the back of the box. That was actually super easy for once. That came straight off the back. Yeah, so now I'm just going to offer it up to there and start drilling holes, I think. Right, I have drilled the holes I needed. Forgot to film, but I have drilled them. I drilled a 3mm hole first, then I jumped it up to the 8mm just so I had a bit of a pilot. So now I just need to give those holes, sort of deburr the holes so there's no metal there, and I'm also going to spray some protectant inside the holes, and I'm going to paint inside the holes as well, just to stop it going rusty, etc., and stop water getting in. Then I'll obviously tidy up all the mess. But yeah, I'm just gonna deburr the holes, then I'll put a bit of paint in just so they're all nice and neat and tidy. So a little bit of a cavity protection in there. Then I'll just put a little blob of paint on those holes as well, and that should be good. But Tactile is a great product for cavity protection, not your teeth, cars. Best way to paint that, I reckon, bit of this, I reckon, just a bit of stone chip. So let's just dab a bit of that in the holes, and then we're pretty much good to just bolt it on. And this could be a fairly, hopefully I won't jinx it, this could be a fairly easy mod if I can stand the camera up. Oh, like that. Fingers crossed anyway. Okay, that's all good. Right, let's get bolting. I'm not too sure how tight to do this. I'm going to do it quite tight. Oh, that feels tight to me. Oh, that feels tight as well. That feels very secure. Okay, now it's time to fit the box. But do I fit the box now just to see how it looks? Yeah, I think so, because I do want to spray the box at some point, but I will fix it on first and see what it looks like. Right guys, nearly finished fitting this up. So if it's really noisy outside, there's a guy restoring or doing some work on his car outside, which is cool. Let's do these up. Oh, quite tight. Oh, sorry, that's probably really noisy. Quite tight. It is that one, quite tight. Alright, well, believe it or not, I think we've only gone and done it. I've lost the key again. No, I haven't. It's in the lock. But that's it, it's done. Storage box mounted. That's actually not too bad. What are we thinking? I mean, plays havoc with my OCD in terms of it not being in the middle, but it's quirky, it's different, and if it was in the middle, it would just, I think, look even weirder. It's arguably a bit wonky, but I'm going with it. That's cool. It's very secure, literally isn't moving, and you'll see I've actually added a second bolt and then done the two bolts up together as well, and it's obviously bolted right through, if you can just about see that bolt there. But yeah, it's nice, fits well. But yeah, there you go guys, that is my K-Truck storage box all fitted up, so we can keep the beers in there, the gin and tonic, or ratchet straps and cleaning stuff, whatever we fancy. But yeah, that's ace. There we go. That went well. Thanks for watching the videos. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Quick update before I go. It is actually straight. Just about straight. There we go. Woohoo!